Hello, my name is Deepal and today's video topic is a constructor, difference between constructor and method. So as we know that Java secretly forms the OOPS concept. All the variables or methods must be presented in the classes. So just Java classes contains both the constructor and the method. Before understanding the difference between constructor and method, let's recall the constructor and the method. So constructor is a method, both are different from each other. So however, the constructor is used to initializing the object state. So constructor can also contain data members and method function in the same way as the method contains. So the data members of the members in functions so of the constructor are executed at the time of the creating of object and the classes. The new keyword plays an important role in creating the instance of the class. Let's take an example of the understand how to we can create object of the class and call it a constructor of the class. So second one is a method. So method is a block of code that used to performing a particular task. So in a reduce the length of the respective repetitive code. It may so difference between constructor and method. A constructor is a block of a code initializing at the time of the creating a new object of the class is called as a constructor, and method is a set of statement that perform a specific task with the without returning value to the class is known as a method. So second, constructor is mainly used to initializing the object. It is mainly used to reuse the code without writing the code again. So constructor is implicitly invoked by the system, and a method is called by the programmer. The new keyword is play an important role in invoking the constructor. So method is called are responsible for the invoking method. Constructor has no return type, and it can or cannot return any value the value to the caller. Method is a return type. Method has a return type. Constructor name will always be the same as the class name. In method we can use any name for the method name, such as add row, add num, and etc. So constructor, a class have a more than one parameterized constructor, but the constructor should have a different parameters. In a class, method in a class can also more than one method with the same name but different arguments and data types. Constructor is a subclass cannot inherit parent class in a constructor. Subclass can inherit the method of the parent class. Thank you, sir.